Okay, this question is another one of those annoying questions when there are like a couple of taps and one is flowing in water, one will have water draining out of it. It's those annoying ones. So listen up carefully. This kind of question always comes for examination. They say that a tank measuring 50 cm by 30 cm by 70 cm was initially completely filled with water. After that, they say that Y was then turned on and then water flowed out from here to here at a rate of 1.2 liters per minute. Okay, stop. They said that it was completely filled with water at first. Then they said that type Y was then turned on and water flowed out. So which means that it's going to start draining the water. Water will start flowing out, right? Then they said that after 10 minutes, then okay, stop. Which means that we know that tap Y was turned on for 10 minutes. Okay, so it drained out 10 minutes worth of water. Okay, and then they said that tap X was turned on after 10 minutes. After tap Y drained the water for 10 minutes, tap X was then turned on and it started filling the water for at 800 cm3 per minute. And then they said that tap Y was still running while this one was filling even this one with water. This one is still draining the water. Okay, then find the height of the water after tap X had been running for 30 minutes. Okay, so now over here, right, in 10 minutes, can we find out how much water was drained out? They said that tap Y was turned on and water flowed out at this rate, right? So for 10 minutes, so I'm going to write down tap Y in the 10 minutes. Okay, it drained out. For 10 minutes, it drained out 1.2 times 10, giving us 12 liters. Okay, go and convert it to your cm cube, right? Like what I told you previously, 1 liter equal to 1000 cm cube. So therefore, 12 liters equal to 12 times 1000 will give us 12,000 cm cube of water. We're going to find out the total capacity of it at first as well. So the total capacity will be 50 multiplied by 30 multiplied by 70. So capacity would be 50 multiplied by 30 multiplied by 70, and throw that inside a calculator. What we're going to get? 50, 30, 70. That will give us 105,000 cm cube. So out of the total amount over here, this total amount was drained out. So what is left? Left would be 105,000 minus 12,000. Okay, so let's just throw that into a calculator, and that will give us 93,000. Okay, after 10 minutes, right, there was only 93,000 cm cube of water left. Then they said that simultaneously tap X was turned on while tap Y was still running. So which one will have more water? I mean, which one has a greater water flow actually? They said that X is 800 cm cube of water, Y is 1.2 liters of water, and we know that 1.2 liters of water, right, is 1200 cm cube, according to this formula that I've already taught you. Which means that in every single minute, right, there are more water flowing out compared to water flowing in. Okay, so I'm going to write here tap X minus, no, not tap X, it will be tap Y. Tap Y minus tap X would give me 1200 minus 800, giving me 400 cm cube per minute. This tells me that when tap X was turned on at this rate, 800 cm cube of water, and tap Y was draining water at this rate, right, if both of them were turned on simultaneously, water will still be draining out by 400 cm cube per minute. Okay, because the rate of flow of water for tap Y is greater than tap X, which is evident from here. Which is why they said find the height of the water in the tank after tap X has been running for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, it will be this. So basically, it's 30 minutes multiplied by 400. So let's just throw that inside a calculator. 30 multiplied by 400, it is 12,000 cm cube of water. It's 12,000 cm cube of water. Which means that from here, it will start draining out this amount of water after 30 minutes. So what is the remainder? So I'm going to put here, remaining water would be 93,000 minus 12,000, and that will give us 81,000 cm cube of water. Okay, so 81,000 cm cube of water is after these 10 minutes of tap Y and then after 30 minutes of X and Y. This is what's left. Then it asks find the height of the water. If we have the length, we have the breadth, we can find out the remaining height, right? So we just take 81,000 divided by 50 and divide it by 30. Okay, let's see what we're going to get. 81,000 divided by 50 divided by 30 and that's going to give us 54 cm. So what is left will be 54 cm worth of water. Okay, so for this one, remember you have to go time frame by time frame. So the first time frame is the 10 minutes for tab Y only. The second time frame will be X and Y together, which is why we need to do this. This is the very important method. We have to do a combination rate of flow per minute. So once you have done this combination rate of flow, then we can find the rest of the data, and this is actually how we do it. For questions like this, it's actually quite long, right? Quite long like this paragraph. See, so fat, so much information. Okay, so for parents who are watching this, right, remember, if you cannot get the information from here and then from here to directly give you a strategy, try to come up with all this information first. And the information will also net you a few method marks. Let your information from part 1, part 2, and part 3 lead you to the final answer. Don't need to panic and freak out if you just look at the question by itself, right? You start panicking, oh my god, I don't know what to do, I don't know what to do, I don't know how to teach my child. No, relax, calm down. You let the information guide you, it's gonna be okay. Alright, done.